This video will show you how to download the HP Refresh software and create a thumb drive to install it on an older PC. Today we're using Chrome, but you can use any browser like Internet Explorer or Edge.
What you will need are two computers. For your first computer, we'll call that computer number 1, you need a computer that meets the following requirements in order to download the software. Your computer must be either Windows 10 or Windows 7 and have a USB port to create the USB boot drive. You will also need a USB flash drive that is 4 gigabytes or larger.
Your second computer, we'll call that computer number 2, must meet the following requirements in order to be wiped and reimaged. Your computer must have a 64-bit x86 processor or equivalent, and have at least 2 gigabytes of memory or RAM, and a hard drive that is 4 gigabytes or larger. Please note that for best results, the USB flash drive should be USB 3.0 compliant. USB 2.0 is also supported.
And finally, you will need HP Refresh software, which is available for download at www.hp.com/hprefresh. Prepare the bootable USB flash drive using computer number 1. Note that many USB flash drives can be prepared one after the other.
To create the bootable USB flash drive, first remove all USB devices except the keyboard and mouse from computer number 1.
Go to www.hp.com/hprefresh to download the software. Click the download button to take you to the download area of the website. In order to download the software, you must agree to the terms and conditions to the HP Refresh end user licenses. This includes HP Secure Erase protocols, Linux-based OS, Zoom client, and Chrome browser. Click the box to agree, then click the download button. Your download will start immediately.
Be sure to write down the location where you downloaded and saved the file. Most of the time, the file is saved in the download folder on your PC.
When the download is complete, open the folder where you saved the file and double-click the HP Refresh application. The splash screen will appear, followed by the install box. Insert the USB drive into computer number 1. Confirm that the USB flash drive is selected in the device list. Select Start and then select OK to begin formatting the USB flash drive. Don't let this part scare you. Only the data on the USB flash drive will be erased. This program will not erase the data on your machine. If your USB flash drive had multiple partitions set up, a notice will pop up on your screen indicating this. You must click OK to start formatting your USB flash drive. It may take a few minutes to write the image to your flash drive. Once it is complete, the Cancel button will read Close. Click Close to exit the program and remove the USB flash drive.
Please note, the formatting process erases any files that were already on the USB flash drive. If the USB flash drive cannot be formatted, try using a different USB flash drive. Each USB flash drive must be created by the HP Refresh software. You cannot create one USB flash drive and copy it to other USB flash drives. Now, you can use the bootable USB flash drive to re-image the computer number 2.
While computer number 2 is turned off, insert the bootable USB flash drive into a USB port, preferably USB 3.0, on computer number 2. Please note, if you are using a USB 2.0 compliant drive or USB 2.0 compliant port, this process could be a little slower than it would be on a USB 3.0 compliant drive and port, but it will still work. To find a USB 3.0 compliant port, look for the SS symbol next to the port. Sometimes the inside of the port is blue, but it can vary. Make sure your computer is plugged into a secure power supply.
Before you press the power button to turn on the computer number 2, we're going to want to enter the boot menu to ensure that we boot from the USB drive you just inserted, instead of the hard drive in the computer. To do this, it depends on which manufacturer your PC is from. For this video, we're using an HP PC, and the key to select the boot menu is Escape key, or ESC. The key is in the upper left corner of your keyboard. Once you locate this, press the power button. As soon as your PC boots up, press the Escape key. You may need to continue tapping the Escape key until the boot menu appears.
For other brands of computers, please check the HP website at www.hp.com/hprefresh. In the Startup menu, select Boot menu using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Press the Enter key. In the Boot menu, select your USB drive. It might have a different name depending on what USB flash drive brand you are using. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select the correct option, then press Enter. The computer will restart and boot from the USB flash drive.
You will be prompted to verify erasing the hard drive on computer number 2. Click OK. An HP Secure Erase notification will pop up with a note on how to wake up your system if it goes to sleep. Click OK. The process of securely erasing the drive on computer number 2 begins.
This process can take up to 20 hours to complete, depending on how large the internal hard drive is on computer number 2. You may want to leave the device overnight for the secure erase process to complete. Once the hard drive is erased, you will be prompted to enter contact information for support, in case there are issues. You are given the opportunity to set a default website for the student to use, but this information is optional. For the purposes of this video, we will leave this section blank.
The HP Refresh software will check to confirm that the hardware in computer number 2 is functioning and supported. Once that is complete, the software will start re-imaging your computer.
After re-imaging computer number 2, a success message will be displayed. Congratulations! Finally, take the USB flash drive out of your computer and power down your device. The computer is ready for use.